inch by inch. And then the fun starts to begin. It's like snakes in a can. Hi, I'm Rebecca Rand, and I'm reviewing GladGrid's original mattress and wonderful contoured pillow. This bed in a box helps you stop tossing and turning all night, and the price is great. It's super high quality, let me tell you about it. I ordered the GladGrid mattress by YouTube and it came right to my door in this really pretty box. I also ordered a very special pillow. The packaging was so pretty it could have been sent to a friend as a gift. The fun of the YouTube is the opening. So I took it out of the box and I laid it on this platform. This is a queen size mattress. It comes just with the mattress and you can put it on any platform you have. I had this kind of a platform, which is really simple. You might have kids in dorms at colleges, and this is a great way to go. So I have a sharp pair of trusty scissors. I'm gonna be careful just to get the plastic. I don't want to get the material underneath, so I'm watching what I'm doing. I'm a little excited because I know this thing is packaged tight, inch by inch. And then the fun starts to begin. It's like snakes in a can. This is so easy, even I can do it by myself, which I'm very happy about. Almost ready to try it out. Time for the dive. Oh, wow. This mattress feels so good. GladGrid is made with a special material that lets you breathe. So if you're one of those like me that get hot at night and you're used to tossing and turning because you're hot and your mattress isn't very good, this mattress is really high quality so you can get a good night's sleep. It conforms to your body. It is a foam mattress with a lot of support. It's not like those dippy ones where you start sinking into it. Check this out. You can see my body on it. And so much of our fun time, our leisure time, is not just bedtime, it's hangout time. So sitting on it, I'm supported enough. I'm not going to go squishing down where I don't feel comfortable, just to sit up in bed. Maybe I want to have a cup of coffee or something to eat, or just hang out and even play a game. I could play a board game with my friend if I wanted. They could sit there. And in a dorm room, that's so much fun, just to hang out on your bed and you do your stuff. My kids will love this, and so do I for me. It's a bed you can use for the whole family. They have it in king size, queen, and twins. And as I move around, all of these positions are really comfortable. It's so relaxing. I'm really glad with the grid. This GladGrid mattress by U2 makes for a wonderful night's sleep without a lot of tossing and turning. That's only when you're hanging out and having a good time and having fun on it, because I like to live in bed. The support is really great. I could even sit on this mattress. But now I'm going to do a somersault. Not quite. But I want to show you that this mattress likes every part of your body. It's not going to play favorites. Anyway I go. It's one continuous mattress of the memory foam. It's consistent. This GladGrid original mattress has antibacterial materials throughout it and in the fabric. And putting in your body, it has ergonomic alignment. So you're going to be comfortable without any aching back or aching anything on this GladGrid mattress. And the mattress and the cover have anti-sweating properties to them, which means it's going to evaporate moisture away from your body, so you're much cooler at night. It's got an excellent motion absorption, and that's what guards your sleep against being sweaty. It makes me sweat less on those hot summer nights. The engineers sought to design this mattress with the highest quality in mind, so it has a very high compression tolerance. It's not just any foam mattress. It has a super pressure dispersion ability, so that if you have some bone or something here, it spreads it evenly out so your bone doesn't sink into the center of the mattress. That's what makes a super high quality foam mattress. And that's what GladGrid U2 mattress is. GladGrid's memory foam feature snugs you because it has a very slow rebound effect. That's what you want. You don't want a mattress going up and down quickly. That's what the high quality produces, and that's what they designed within the mattress. I also got the GladGrid pillow. When you take it out of the box, it looks like this. I just love the box it came in. The tissue paper was so pretty, and then there was notes. And when you open the notes, there's all this fun stuff. An $8 off coupon, in case you want to buy some more from YouTube GladGrid. They're coming out soon with a matching mattress pad. There was also another box that contained a really great cover for the pillow. This is great because I can take this traveling when I go places. It's easy to roll the pillow up and put it in there. Very handy. This pillow is adjustable, and it's pure cotton, and it's really soft. I'm going to squish this so you can see how soft that is. That's what you want at night, because you want to make the pillow shape you want for your body. It has a contour down the center, and on the other side, it's flat. It has a zipper, so you can take the cover off and wash it, and this is what the inside looks like. That's how soft it is. Look at that. I'm really compressing it. Now I'll let it go. Fills right back up with air. So you can see how you can mold this to exactly the kind of pillow shape you want. The zipper is really high quality. For my sleeping, I like the lower side under my neck. This side is slightly higher. It cradles my neck and it feels so good. Before, I've had the neck roll pillows and all kinds of neck pillows, and they were so stiff, it felt so uncomfortable. This pillow feels so nice underneath my head. You can squish it just to get it the way you want it. It's very restful, and I love the size of it because I can roll to my side and then roll to the other side, and I'm still on the pillow. I don't fall off the pillow. So you can see how the pillow keeps my neck perfectly aligned with my body for sleeping. The alignment factor is so important. That's why this pillow is so special. Check out my spine and see that alignment. That's the kind of sleeping you want to have, so your spine is aligned all night long. The design of the pillow supports my neck and cuddles my head as it sinks softly into the center of the pillow. Because the pillow has two sides of height, a little higher on one side to the other, it's customizable to whatever you need for your body. For me, a good sleep depends on a really great pillow. It's one of the elements I need for my sleep. And this pillow curves under my neck and my head, and the mattress curves under my body. It is so comfortable. Both the pillow and the mattress are great for all kinds of sleepers, whether you sleep on your back or your side, whether it's the right or left side. It's powered by memory foam technology with over 100 prototypes when it was tested. This GladGrid pillow is the most comfortable I've ever had under my head. I'm Rebecca Brand. Click the link to get your GladGrid YouTube mattress and pillow. I love it when my day includes sleeping on the job as I'm doing this review for you. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe for fun in bed. And sometimes that includes a good night's rest. See you next time. I'm gonna take a nap now. I've worked hard today. If you like this video, here's a couple more I think you might like too.